How to fix camera not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So there are many ways by which you can fix the camera issue. So the first one is visiting your settings and checking if the permission of camera is given or not. So first of all, open settings, then visit privacy and security. Now scroll down until you find app permissions and click on camera. Make sure that the camera access has been turned on overall as well as for the specific application whereby it's not working. If it is so, you can toggle it off and on again. This should probably fix the issue. However, if this does not, next up what you can do is go to the search bar and search for camera. Then go to its app settings and from there scroll down until you find options such as terminate, reset and repair. Start by clicking on repair and check if the camera issue has been fixed or not. However, if it has not, you can click on reset as well. After you have done so, you can go to device manager. Then you have to click on camera, right click on the driver and click on update driver. So these are some of the ways by which you can fix the camera issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.